AI in manufacturing. Here's everything you should know. The world of manufacturing is in the midst of a technological revolution, and at the heart of this transformation lies artificial intelligence, AI. It's not just about automation, it's about creating more efficient, agile, and competitive manufacturing processes. What is AI in manufacturing? AI in manufacturing refers to the integration of artificial intelligence technologies into various aspects of the manufacturing process to enhance efficiency, productivity, and decision-making. This application of AI empowers manufacturers to streamline production, improve product quality, and reduce costs. Key AI segments that impact manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance uses AI and machine learning algorithms to predict when equipment or machinery is likely to fail. Quality control and inspection. AI-powered computer vision systems are employed for real-time quality control and inspection of products on the manufacturing line. Supply chain optimization. AI plays a crucial role in optimizing the supply chain by analyzing data related to demand forecasting, inventory management, and logistics. How is AI used in the manufacturing industry? AI is used in the manufacturing industry across various domains to enhance efficiency, productivity, and decision-making. Predictive maintenance. AI analyzes data from sensors and historical performance to predict when equipment or machinery is likely to fail. Quality control and inspection. AI-powered computer vision systems inspect products on the manufacturing line in real time. Customization and personalization. AI enables mass customization of products by tailoring manufacturing processes to individual customer preferences. Role of AI in the industrial sector. Process optimization. AI optimizes industrial processes by analyzing data and making real-time adjustments. Robotics and automation. AI-driven robots and automation systems perform tasks with precision and consistency. AI in manufacturing. AI in manufacturing represents a transformative force that is revolutionizing the way goods are produced, monitored, and optimized in the manufacturing industry. Here's an overview of AI's role in manufacturing. Energy efficiency. AI algorithms monitor and control energy consumption within manufacturing facilities, making real-time adjustments to optimize energy usage. Customization and personalization. AI enables mass customization of products by tailoring manufacturing processes to individual customer preferences. Human-machine collaboration. Collaborative robots, cobots, work alongside human workers, enhancing productivity and safety. Choose the right program. Clearly outline what you want to accomplish with the program. Research and comparison. Conduct thorough research to find potential programs or software that align with your needs. Compatibility. Ensure that the program is compatible with your operating system and hardware. Cost and budget. Evaluate the cost of the program, including any subscription fees, licensing costs, and potential hidden charges. Conclusion. AI in manufacturing is not just a buzzword. It's a transformative force that's reshaping the landscape of one of the world's most critical industries. From predictive maintenance that prevents costly downtimes to quality control systems that ensure impeccable product standards, AI is improving efficiency and product quality. It optimizes supply chains, streamlines processes, and enhances energy management, all contributing to cost savings and sustainability.